Happy Wednesday, the 25th. We've got our NC30 workout for today. Every 2.5 minutes for 6 sets. So the goal on this one is to get this done in less than that 2.5 minutes. This should be a sprint every time. That way we can maximize the rest. So regardless of how fast you finish, we want to have that 2 minutes to really hone in on those movements. It's easy movements, but we want to get it done in that 2.5 minutes. So if you catch yourself not getting it done in the 2.5, find a way to scale this, maybe change the movement up a little bit. We want this done in less than that 2.5. We've got 12 backpack clean and jerks. If you guys have dumbbells, you can totally use your dumbbells instead. 12 backpack overhead lunges, and then we're gonna finish with 24 mountain climbers. So just one set of that every 2.5 minutes. So it should be a really, really good sprint. Let's talk about the backpack clean and jerks first. We do want to focus on the clean and the jerk this time. Kind of on the ground overheads, we've let you guys go straight to overhead. We want to focus on that actual clean and jerk this time. So regardless if you have a backpack, some other sort, even if it's a plate, if you guys are going to do plate, same thing, it's not a ground overhead, it's a clean. So at least bring it to the shoulders and then overhead, okay? So good squat stance underneath, shoulders back, big pop, elbows through, okay? We got to get it to the shoulders since we're doing a jerk on this one. And then big hips, bring that object overhead. And then back down, reset, go again, okay? So it doesn't necessarily have to be that jerking motion. It can be a shoulder and then overhead, but we got to see that stop with the shoulders. Same thing if you guys are going to go 1 dumbbell or 2 dumbbells. Dumbbells can start on the outside with this one, clean them, and then we'll go overhead on that jerk motion, okay? With the overhead lunges, kind of the same thing. If we want to use that pack, we'll just clean it up, overhead, big lockout with those elbows, lunge, and then back, okay? This is a tough position to hold, especially with a backpack because it's a little bit narrow of a grip. Just focus on keeping those elbows locked out. Doesn't need to be a big lunge. You guys can step forward on your lunges. You guys can step back, whatever gets the job done. If lunges isn't too happy with us, maybe just try regular lunges or even just squats. That's totally fine, okay? So that is for the overhead lunges. Mountain climbers, we've done these a lot by now. So we just want that good plank position to start. Knees are gonna stay tight. So what we don't wanna see is something all the way out here. We wanna try and keep those knees inside the elbows, as well as keeping the butt down. We don't want to go super high on this one. Keep that good push-up position. Get those knees going, okay? NC30, have fun.